Hey, welcome back to Ride with Rashad. We are going to install the Ikon rear louvers. I know that this is very polarizing. I like them. A lot of people hate them. Like they hate them like they owe them money. It's crazy. But it's just a personal preference, just like anything else with these cars. I happen to really like the way the wicker bill turned out. I love the way that looks on the car, and I happen to also like the way that these louvers look, particularly on a black car. Black louvers on a black car I think look great. It is 100% personal preference. They have no performance enhancement. It's just cosmetic, and I think it looks cool. So we're gonna get to putting these on. First step is gonna be to clean this dirty rear windshield. And actually, first step is gonna be to unbox them, which we're gonna do right now. And let's get to it. Well, it turns out I don't think we're going to be installing these today because I don't have any hardware. I just opened the box on camera. As you can see, there is no hardware. I was hoping it'd be attached to these since it wasn't in the box. Yeah, that's not helpful at all. So let's do a test fit anyway, just to see what it would look like. All right, so the test fit looks decent. The flat black, I'm not really loving the flat black. This looks like it might have been a returned piece, to be honest. I'm not thrilled with this. I did buy this from Amazon. It was, you know, it was from Ikon on Amazon. I'm not really in love with this flat black color, to be honest, guys. Well, let me know what you think. I'm gonna post this video even though it's not installed, just because you know, just in case anybody wants to see, you know, hopefully you can get that flat black look there and see what it actually looks like. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I am not loving, for some reason it just looks different in the videos that I've seen. I'll get some faraway looks, faraway shots here for you. You know, in the back it looks awesome, not gonna lie. I think gloss would look better. Yeah, I'm not thrilled with this. I might be returning this altogether, maybe going with a different, either different brand or going with a gloss louver. That, one thing I'll say, the fit and finish of this is not what I've heard these are. The fit and finish of this is not living up to the hype here. So the way this is cut out, you can see hopefully here, it's not exactly perfectly cut. There's some flaws there. It just looks cheap, and believe me, it wasn't cheap for what it is. I can't remember what it was, but I know it wasn't cheap for a piece of plastic this roughly cut. So I don't know, guys, kind of disappointed. Tell me what you think. Maybe I'm being a little dramatic. I have also heard people say this hits your trunk lid, the Ikon version, when it's open, and I'm gonna test that as well. I mean, there's not much room. There's room side to side a little bit, but not much room up and down. You know, if you go up here, you're off the paint. I'm sorry, off the windshield, off the rear windshield. So here it has to be, this is the top most possible position. They're supposed to be little stick-on plastic pieces with screws that come up, and then little nuts here. And I'm gonna double check this. Maybe I missed something. I do not see them in the box here. So I'm gonna say no, I did not miss anything. Definitely not. Wow. Super disappointing there. All right. Well, guys, I'm cutting this video short because we do not have what we need. So once again, here's another look. What I was hoping was the flat black would go with maybe if I went flat black side skirts. I know I've heard people doing that, and it looks pretty good together, and also flat black rear valance or rear diffuser. But I don't know, guys. As of right now, I'm thinking flat black might not be the go-to here. It just looks cheap, you know. I think gloss might be the answer, or maybe even painted might be the answer. So hey, it happens. I'm also going to be adjusting my wicker bill up a little bit because there's some rubbing going on, and I'm gonna fix that. And but yeah, obviously these aren't going on yet, so I've got some time. No rush, no worries. I'm off this week, so doing a couple small business things, but other than that, taking my time with stuff, so no rush. But anyway, like, subscribe, tell me what you think. See you guys later.